Quick updates for everyone who trade the RAVE coin. Congrats if you catch exact top and open the trade here. It was a pure signal, even confirmed to sell on the daily, but of course the earlier signals it appear here on 4 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame here. I'm not tracking it. I just opened just a few trades maybe here, and the close just I don't know, maybe 10% drop, even less, right? So with second, with 5x leverage. And yes, of course, because I understand this is some shady story. And usually I explained it in the first video how this token ends. I would like to show you the example with STO. If you forgot, this recent pump and dump siren. The idea of the token is pretty good. I totally agree. Right, so here, this was a siren, dump, and bounce back, pump and dump. So imagine they dumped the token on the daily time frames from almost $5 to the 12. After that, from the 12, they pumped to $2.22 and dump it again to 27. So this is like a pure roller coaster. That's why it's kind of risky, guys, to trade this type of tokens, and I'm not recommend you. And if you buy luck, bought it here after 100%, usually better with raw initial deposit, live free tokens, and the right to the moon. And don't be so greedy, just take the profit. Here, I would like to show you with indicators, guys, where the buy line and where the fundamental value of this project, so you will find out how low this token will dump. I would like to show you also these metrics. We got like a few contracts. It's on Ethereum, on Base, and the BNB Smart Chain contract. So this is a 911C. We can check 911C. Hold on, is it correct? 911. Yes, this is a correct contract. This one, I would like to show you the on the bubble maps the holders. So kind of two strange wallets hold now like I don't know why it showed a zero value, about 44% supply. So for me anyway, it's kind of strange stories. When some big some clusters, hold a lot of supply. And I would like to double check the time travel first date of this token was run and deployed. Because I'm more than sure there was some insiders. I don't know what this wallet, 1 billion. Kind of strange. Definitely kind of strange. And on the BNB Smart Chain, I would deploy no holders found for this token addresses. All right, guys. Anyway, this is a shady story. I won't believe the venture funds just randomly pump a token to almost over than here almost 7 billion market capitalization. The same story was like with the Papa, but Papa it's a meme coin, right? And behind the RAVE, of course, some venture funds and some market makers. The idea with the NFT tickets is pretty good. I support this type of mass adoption when the people can buy some physical goods or pay for some services with the coins, right? But anyway, the value of the coin for some this like tickets. So if you pay in coins, here you accumulate it, and somebody accumulated here. So the price for the ticket will be in the RAVE coin, for example, and it's going to be two totally different the prices for that show, for example, in USD. That's why it's kind of fair and unfair at the same time, the model. So, all right, guys, I hope you watched the first video about the RAVE when I warned you about this type of story. So one day we're going to dump it, but nobody know where we're going to stop it. That's why this is just open space. And maybe we're going to bounce tomorrow again. We can't know. That's why if you open a short here, fix your sum. position, right? Close it, add a stop loss to the break even, and sleep well. All right, so I would like to show you the daily time frame, guys. Just a test above exit line, it's $2.18. You can believe it, you can not believe it, me, but guys, one day we're gonna test this line. Buy line for this project now at 93 cents. It's hard to imagine, hard to believe, but here, today's April 18. Take a look. I add alert to the buy line. One day we're gonna test this line, and I will share in my Telegram channel. Everything totally for free. Weekly time frame, no data. At 12 time frame, the same story. Here's a just a little bit higher. Buy line now it's $1.63. Sorry. So you can wait. It doesn't mean you have to buy there. No, but this is a local zone where most likely we'll see the price in the next maybe few weeks or this summer. This was a signal to sell, buy back. So congrats everybody who catch this train, you know, here, lucky ticket, and sell here. But trust me, almost nobody, if you're not a insider trader, buying here and selling here. No, people sell during the ride. All right, once again, I hope you understand. Now this is not a time to buy. Daily, this gap definitely we come back and close. It's like 555 and 237. I think most likely if we not bounce to hit another sweep of the liquidity, I think this will be just a slowly story like this one to the buy line. So this is it, guys. ADZ direction. I showed you we traded even here when I posted the first video in a crazy distribution zone. It's bearish, extra bearish. Finally, on a daily time frame, yesterday we saw the warning to sell. Today we get a confirmation to sell. Nice one. So I hope you understand this. There is no signals to buy. Don't try to catch the knives, guys. Market smooth, totally free. Since April 8th, there was totally free. After this belief capitulation, it was a good time here to buy. Now it's totally free. Wait. So let's add alerts also. I don't think so makes sense to buy this token even if we dump to this belief. You know, because it's like, I think it's just a short story. But this belief, I think we will see again just in the next few, maybe months. Money power here, where I showed you in that video where the whales take the profit. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, they take the profit, 11, 14. After that, they push the price higher, and now without a money outflow. Listing, oh, fun. RAVE Coin just yesterday listed. Kind of strange. And take a look. Team holding 90% of supply. So think about it. Think about it, guys. Something wrong with this token, right? So double check on the bubble maps. How to work with the bubble maps? I recommend you go and check the video. So this is it. Locally, if you want to try to catch the knives, guys, I also not recommend it because there's a big spreads, right? So you can try open some long position here, you know, but where to add a stop loss? So here, 31% stop loss, no makes sense. That's why the positive case, guys, if we will see something like this story, form the head and shoulder and drop. So that's it. Maybe I will try to open short position if I get a chance in the range between like 20 and 25. Would be good to see the 22 again. I try to open short position. Guys, write please in a comment what do you think about RAVE. If you'd like to trade as my customer said, what I showed in this video, just add alerts the same way, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.